Your Timbang Tara workspace for buying a 2000 cubic centimeter car will now look like this. In order to synthesize the decision model, we must do the rating, a process of linking the alternatives to the criteria. Only when this is completed, we will be able to allocate points or scoring, and subsequently rank the alternatives in terms of best fit for the goal of the decision problem. To start defining the rating for each criterion, click on the Scale Ratings in the main menu to enable the Scale window. There are two ways of doing the comparison in this step: the relative pairwise comparison or the relative data comparison. The relative pairwise comparison is similar to what we had done in the preceding comparison steps. In the case of relative data comparison, suppose we have the sticker prices for each of the criterion. We may then key in these values directly into Timbang Tara, in this case the price criterion displayed on the left of the scale window. Activate Price and then from the Form menu select Compare Relative Data. The Compare Data form will pop up and enables you to key in the appropriate figures into the corresponding cells under the Data column. Timbang Tara will automatically calculate the normalized weights. An important point to note here is that for car prices, the smaller the value, the better for the buyer. Timbang Tara defaults to bigger is better. To rectify this, click on Evaluate Inverse. In this example, relative data comparison may also be applicable for the following criteria: acceleration, speed, fuel consumption, and quantity of airbags. Such real data may be obtained from product brochures and their respective manufacturer's technical specifications. Finally, click on OK to exit the Scale window and back to the Timbang Tara main window.